Hello class, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to go over how to search for free articles online and your bibliography worksheet assignment. Your bibliography worksheet assignment will go over scholarly articles and how to research them. So you're going to go to Google Scholar. You can type in Google Scholar to the search bar. And then you're going to type in what project your group has decided to research. Let's say it's Black Americans in the World War. You can see I typed that in, and several scholarly articles populated. You can click on this book, but I wouldn't recommend clicking on books, since you'll only get an excerpt that will look something like this, or like this. But it might be a good place to start. You could either view the ebook or go check out the book from the library. However, there will also be citations from scholarly articles. This one's titled Closing the Gap or Widening the Divide, the Effects of the GI Bill and World War II on the Educational Outcomes of African Americans. This would be a good thing to cite. Good abstract, good paper from a reliable source. You can see the author, University of Virginia, University of Michigan. We can also cite this, and then you'd be one source away from finishing your bibliography assignment. So let's go over your bibliography assignment. You're going to use Google Scholar, just like I did. Search up your topic and find various scholarly articles your group wants to use. They can be internet articles, reference books, primary sources, newspapers, audiovisual material. This worksheet, I need you to fill out all your sources on, and then create a bibliography with at least 2 primary sources and 10 sources total. This is what your bibliography should look like. Now, before I let you do that, we're going to go over what primary versus secondary sources are. Remember, primary sources are materials that are eyewitness accounts or as close to the original sources as possible. Speeches, interviews, and conversations. Secondary sources are interpretations and analyses based on primary sources, for example, an autobiography. Use these to find the sources that you need for your research assignment. Thank you so much for tuning in. You can always ask me more questions in class or via my email, and I'd be happy to answer or help you with the project. Best of luck, groups, and I can't wait to see what you guys come up with.